Okay, to make a cloud, you need two things. One is moisture, that's water vapor. And the second one, which is very important, is the cloud seed. We call it cloud condensation nuclei. So here I have a body spray or hair spray you can use as a, for example, if I spray something into this dry jar, nothing happens. But if I spray simply into this wet, moisture jar, you will see lots of cloud generate. Amazing, right? This is because to have cloud, you need let the moisture, the water vapor condensate into a droplet on top of the particles or dust surface. So moisture plus seed make cloud.